Think I see better when I got my Glock beside me. I'm rolling up some pressure just to hide the pain inside me. I'm sliding in the SRT, but it feel like a Rari. And she calling my phone, I'm blowing up, she say I'm sorry. I think I see better when I got my Glock beside me. I'm rolling up some pressure just to hide the pain inside me. I'm sliding in that.
We ain't abandoning old little Trippy. We just had to take some breaks before we blew this bitch up.
Right.
We're about to get this bitch push started, so that way we can get it back. We can start making some progress on her.
Ooh, that shit hurt.
All right, so we're picking up and doing a little something different. So need a welding table. I got a little one in here. This table really, I don't know, it isn't gonna be big enough for some of the shit that I'm gonna be doing. Plus I need a table that I can mount a vise to. And this table's cool and all, but it's light and it's not heavy duty at all. It's really for like smaller welding shit. It's been sitting there for fucking ever, so decided to use it. It's basically scrap metal. Might as well go ahead and turn something out of it while I got this welder. And yeah, man, Backyard Built Performance. We do welding and fabrication too.
Hey, Ronia, run it up. Brody swing the dough and up the pole, cause you a scope for real. I don't need no promo, bitch, I'm really screaming, fuck a deal. Niggas out here capping, why they rapping, but you know the deal. And that dish and shit won't get you anywhere, just let me know it's real. Brody swing the dough and up the pole, cause you a scope for real. I don't need no promo, bitch, I'm really screaming, fuck a deal. Niggas out here capping, why they rapping, but you know the deal. And that dish and shit won't get you anywhere, just let me know it's real. Smoking flavors like a Rasta, shawty, I stole a wig. I just photo inside my cotton candy Fago. Building up my guap, I play with rats just like they Lego. That talking.
Alrighty, so we got medium red in the building, and about to be fixing up my exhaust with the welder real quick and knocking this out. Been needing to do this shit for a long time. Yeah, I was welding it with flux core, and the welder that I had didn't really do the trick, so I'm about to go ahead and hook up this MIG and knock this out real quick. I've been putting some use to this damn welder lately, and hopefully we'll be knocking out Trippy's exhaust this week too. Here's the table that I made yesterday. Got it all nice and fabricated. Got all my welding shit over here. This is gonna be my welding corner. But yeah, all I gotta do is grind down all the welds and get some wheels for it. The wheels that I had, they were aluminum, so couldn't really do shit with those. But yeah, about to go ahead and knock this out. I'll probably set up the GoPro and kind of show you kind of what I'm gonna be doing, because the people that did my exhaust at first, it wasn't strong enough, so it kept breaking. I had to weld rods and every fucking thing else in there, and with the way that they were ran, it was breaking every single time. It got heat. But yeah, I'm about to see if I can go ahead and knock this out real quick, so let's get it.
Need to stop, just get the fuck up out my face, ho. Rock out, she ain't want me, damn, she give me top now. And I don't need security, just chop her or the Glock now. I can make it lock, just watch Lil Rico on the pop now. Mask up like Corona, bitch, we finna shut the block. I got a 30 on a stick, yeah, I keep it on my waistline. Rollie on my wrist, so little baby, I can't waste time. Laying with your bitch while you're on the phone on FaceTime. These hoes, they fuck whoever, man, these hoes know they ain't mine. That Rolex on me shining, perfect timing, VVS is blinding. Did it on my own and I don't skate, but nigga, I be grinding. I don't love no more, I put my all.
Alright, so got the tip welded up, and it's pretty sturdy, so really ain't no moving or breaking this fucking time. I made sure I put a lot of reinforcement beads on here, and I can step on it, push the truck up with it, so it's all good. And I got it aligned a lot better. It actually sits pretty flush compared to where it sat before. So yeah, man, got this knocked out, and like I said, it was just a little quick little fix, something that I needed to do a long time ago, but just never fucking got around to doing it. So today we got to wear it out.
Yeah,
Trippy in this bitch.
I know what that fuck going on, man.
About to fix this shit. We're fixing everybody's shit. Fixed mine last week, about to fix his. So let's get it. Done got Trippy right. Exhaust pipe ain't hanging no more.
Okay.
So we good.
Man, welding man. Get them up for all your need, your welding needs.
Oh, for sure.
Like y'all really want to come up, we got some shit coming. Hot shot the game, you already know what the fuck going on, man.
Yes, sir. And if y'all got some goddamn hot shot information, as far as somebody who started from the bottom, not somebody who got a truck and fucking got inherited shit, if y'all got some hot shot information, send it to us. Goddamn, hit us up on Instagram, put it in the comments. We need to know, because we trying to get on the road and have something to do in between in the meantime and shit. You know, this trucking industry big, might as well hop in this shit. So send us some information. All right, so it's been about a week. Took me a little break, had a lot of admin shit to do, and just got a lot of stuff done. So aside from the little vlog footage y'all seen in the beginning of the video, that was pretty much all I really did. Just got done with 2 Fords earlier this morning. It was CV axle, and I was putting the rear blocks in for the other truck. If you want to see that, go check my page out. I always update my page with everything that isn't on the channel, and yeah, just check it out for updates. But today we got a backyard built original coming in, and yeah, I put this lift on in April, and due to this little squat loss shit, a lot of people are either taking their lifts off or getting the blocks put in the back. So with this one, I'll be taking this 7-inch rough country lift off. I did the 9-inch Beltec struts and put those in after the lift was put in, just to add him some more height, and then he put the blocks in the back. But yeah, man, got a little 3.5 rough country level and kick. So right now I think I'm gonna start backwards, so I'm gonna go ahead and do the rear block, since it'll take me only about an hour, so that way I ain't gotta worry about the rear anymore. All right, so getting some progress done. Got the front on the jack stands, about to go ahead and start ripping a little bit apart, since I got a little bit of time. Got the blocks through in. This is just the, I believe they're 2-inch rough country blocks. Moving along, like I said, I'm not in a rush with this one. I really got a couple weeks to get this done, but you know how I be trying to stay on a 2 to 3 day schedule at the maximum, just because I like to have constant flow of people coming in and just constant work, so that way I'm not sitting all the time. All right, so picking up, it's the next day. It's pretty dark outside. I think it's like 5 o'clock, but got a late start on this shit today. Had some business to take care of this morning, so this is where I'm at right now. It's only been about 2 hours. Got the whole front end taken apart and out of there. But yeah, after I drop the diff, put the stock parts in, it'll be pretty much done. But here's everything I've taken off so far. So yeah, just been getting to work. Getting some progress done finally. Got the driver's side pretty much assembled. Got all the main components pretty much installed and tightened. And like I said, this is just 3.5-inch level and strut, upper control arms. And everything's going smooth, like I said. And you know, it's not really too hard. And, got the new axle installed. So all this over here is pretty much brand new. And like I said, 3.5-inch level, 3.5-inch rough country level strut, and upper control arms. Got them a new axle in there. Just trying to get everything refreshing for them. About to go ahead and try to just button up a little bit on this side, move to the other side. I'll probably come in here tomorrow afternoon and get it all finished up, get it on the ground, and you know, all complete. Don't really plan on getting it done all in one night. Like I said, I could take my time with it. I don't really have anything else going on for the week. Thanksgiving coming up, so you know, schedule getting tight, and I'm ready to eat, man. So got everything tightened up, torque, ready to go, and it's looking pretty good. Everything looks clean, updated, fresh in here, so should ride a shit ton better now that it's back stock. And yeah, got everything tidied up, looking good. So yeah, all I gotta do now is get the alignment done, and then pretty much just take these rear spacers off. I think I'm gonna go ahead and do that now, just so that way he can look flush, because right now it's a damn drag racer. But gonna do that real quick, and then should be done for the night at least. That's pretty much all I plan on doing for the rest of the night. Come back in here in the morning, probably get it all aligned, and just take it out for a little test drive, make sure it rides good, and hopefully we'll be ready to go to pull her out and get her going. 2 days and got the lift taken off and it back stock. So like I said, I'm gonna get these spacers off, and then I'm gonna clean up the shop for the night. Got no parts left on the floor, all that shit's gone and put on. And then yeah, that'll be it for tonight. And then in the morning I'll probably get up, get it aligned, and then pretty much just chill out, show y'all kind of the finished product or what it looks like, and then that'll be pretty much it for this video, I guess. All right, so everything is off. I am completely niggas in a slow ass fucking Chargers. Well, anyway, got everything off, and here's the finished product. So sitting with a 3.5 inch level, some rough country uppers, took everything back to stock. I think it's a 2 inch block for the back, so sitting pretty nice, and got her done pretty quick. So gonna be just waiting, holding it here for a little bit, but yeah, gonna be taking a little break a little bit, and go enjoy my fucking holidays and vacation and shit, and close the shop down for a couple days, and you know, just relax, like I always say. Once again, my truck is for sale, so hit me up. It's got 45,000 and some change on it, miles. I'll sell it for the right price. Hit me up if you're serious. Like I said, I'm not gonna bullshit with you. You see me build it on this channel, you see the imperfections, you see what's on it. Like I said, I can send more info on it for serious buyers. If you're interested in buying my truck, hit me up. I'll let it go for a good price. This will be the end of this video, and I'll catch y'all next time. Hope y'all enjoyed the holidays. Hope y'all enjoyed this video. I'm about to take my ass inside because it's cold as hell out this bitch. Hit me up on Instagram if you need any work. I have a limited schedule coming up these next couple months, so please, if you're looking to get something done, hit me up, and follow my Instagram, backyardbuilt.performance, and hit up my personal Instagram, Rico Bands, and yeah, that's it. But yeah, catch y'all in the next one.